Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jerry. So I'm in the house now. This is what I picked up earlier. Dishwasher, little toaster, two nice fans right there, ceiling fans. Luggage and exercise equipment, Christmas tree, a nice little grill, and stereo right there. And I think that's it. Couple little knickknacks like those sticks, where are they? Cleaning gear for the curtains. Nothing special, but that's what I got earlier. And this little half chair. So what I'm gonna do is separate some of this stuff, like this nice little motor again. It has copper, and then I'm gonna go sell it and get all the wires from the ceiling fans and just clean it up. Alright guys, like always, this is Jerry. Subscribe to my channel, comment and like, give me a big thumbs up, and see you next time.